One heartbeat of the kingdom. Ultimate Radio 20 years anthem. From the Maloti mountains, down the mighty Caledon River, a new voice was born, the voice of the youth, the heartbeat of the kingdom. From the peaks where the cold winds blow, to the valleys where the rivers flow, a sound arose across the land, a dream united hand in hand, voices rising strong and free, echoing through history. 20 years and standing tall, one station, one voice for all. Let the mountains echo loud, let the rivers sing out proud.